It's got to be right. I've been around cars my whole working life.
That is a car.
I love cars. Always have.
Right, this is officially quite exciting. Hello, boys. It's a Bond bug.
Why have you got one of these, though? Now I'm taking my obsession
I've had a brilliant idea.
to another level.
I'm going to learn how to restore cars for real.
I'm starting a classic car restoration workshop.
For us, it's about just moving on to bigger things, hopefully.
The dream for me in this job has always been to work on classic cars.
I'm gambling my reputation.
You've got to make him see it's not a game, is it?
Oh dear. That's not embarrassing.
No, I'm not embarrassed.
My relationship
You're unbelievable sometimes.
Thank you.
Not in a good way.
and my cash
You could spend £100,000 on this car.
on a new business.
I don't like it in the real world. I've had a lovely time in TV world. It can't be that hard.
Heavenly automotive look.
Living absolute hell on earth, that is.
Good. Another crisis. Love them.
This could easily run away from me. This could easily turn out to be a very expensive folly that I regret.
What do you reckon?
To be honest, you've got my attention a bit now.
And how much is this going to cost?
Well, that's a clever thing, because it's a business. It won't cost. Right now I feel a bit scared. Then excited.
Team T-shirt.
Wait a minute. The logo's on the wrong side. This is what I wanted to do all along.
That's like goosebump moment.
And then I feel scared again.
I'm totally out of control.
To make it work, I'm going to have to spend a lot of money.
Richard Hammond
I'm excited.
means business.
Both the best game I've ever played and the most terrifying.
At least, that's the plan.
You sure you know what you're doing?
I'm not listening to you now. Goodbye.
Brand new and exclusive Richard Hammond's Workshop. Coming soon on Discovery Plus.